Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to change the language in Monopoly Go on your phone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the Monopoly Go game. Now here we need to click on the three bars in the upper right-hand corner. Then we're gonna click Settings. Then we have Language English. We select it. And now, we scroll down and select the language we want. Let's say I try Spanish. Press Change. Now we're going to reboot the game again. It's going to work. And as you can see, I've got everything starting in Spanish now. That's how easy it is to change the language in the game Monopoly Go. Absolutely on any device. But if you liked this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.